Buddha used to say that a person should recognize first himself. He should go within and he should or she should recognize the real self. He used to say that never hate the person, hate the bad behavior, but never hate the person because the person doesn't know what he is doing, is not aware of it. So never hate a person, hate the behavior or the bad thing, not the person. Once Buddha was sitting near a river and he was thinking that the river is beautiful. He quenched thirst of thousands of people and the stones tries to stop the river but never able to stop the river. In the same way, in the life is like a river and there are so many people they will try to stop the good people from growing but they are never able to do that. The stones will be there and the stones will never go ahead in the life. In the similar way, the stones in the river never move up. They stays always at the same place. While he was contemplating on these things, he saw that a crowd of the nearby village is coming towards him. Buddha saw that there is a woman and all of them are throwing stones on her and she is running. Buddha asked the crowd why you are beating this lady and what is the reason you are using the bad words for her. The crowd said that this lady is characterless and she has made a relationship with a different person and she got caught while doing such behavior. We should kill her because she is doing walking against the society. Buddha said, whatever you want to do, do. But there is one condition. If you want to kill her, or if you want to throw stones on her, or if you want to beat her, only that person will kill or throw the stone or beat or abuse who has never been characterless in his life and never he was characterless in terms of body and mind. While saying this, Buddha sat down. There was silent all around. After few moments passed, some people came ahead and said that you are saying right, Buddha. Everyone has been characterless sometimes in their life, either from the body or from the mind. If we cannot do justice to others, then we should also not do justice to ourselves. We should help each other, and if somebody make mistake, we should forgive them, and we should always give other people chance. We should give them love, and we should tell them politely what is good or bad, and let them do whatever they want to do because everyone is free. So we don't have this power in our hand to punish somebody. We only have power to forgive, not to punish. And that is what we have in our hand. And this power should be used. We all should use the power of forgiveness, not the power. We don't have power to take revenge or the power to punish somebody, but we always have power to forgive. And this is the learning from the story. Use this power and become stronger and stronger.